Doll, please.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening another boy. This is Rainbow High Finn. It says Series 1 on the top, and I'm still pretty new to this. Is it Series 1 for Rainbow High or Series 1 for Pacific Coast? I'm not sure. He does not come with two outfits, I don't think. He just comes with his one outfit and a really cool surfboard and some glasses. His box is really cool. It has the gold palm trees around it, gold trim, kind of like a sunset vibe. On the back is the very cool artwork of all of them together. Pretty excited to open them up. Right, so in the back of the box we have his stand, which is a cool like reddish pink color. I'm assuming more pink because that seems to be his vibe with his outfit and his hair and everything. Here we have his surfboard with the glasses. Now let's get our boy out. Alright, so here he is out of his box. He has a cool little fanny pack around his shoulder. It's pink printed Rainbow High on it. He has a cute little visor. I really do like his hair. Oh, his visor is pegged onto his head. I don't know if it's supposed to be pink all the way around on the sides. It's like pink here in the back, but blonde on the sides. His shirt underneath says, I guess part of it should say Sparkle and then California. He has some nice shiny swim trunks, pink on the sides, and I really like his sandals. They're like some strappy, sporty beach shoes. His ankle is not moving. I think his legs or ankles are supposed to move, but his said, I'm just gonna stay put. Here are his sunglasses. We can put those on him. They fit really well. They fit perfectly over his ears on the side. And I almost threw his box away before I remembered that he came with a little comb. I need to remember to look for these whenever I'm unboxing Rainbow High. Okay, so here is our boy all done up with his full outfit and his cool surfboard. I really love the way he looks. I like his hat. Surfboard's a really cool accessory. It's gonna look great on a shelf with him and all the other dolls. Let me know what you think of Finn. Do you have him in your collection? And who do you want to see me open next? Stay tuned for some fashion shots, and thanks for watching. Bye.